This is GATE 2024 electrical question number 54. Consider a vector u equal to 2x plus y plus 2z cap, where x cap, y cap, z cap are the unit template vectors along the x, y, z directions, and the directional derivative of the function 2 ln xy plus ln yz plus 3 ln xz at x, y, z is 1, 1, 1 in the direction of u is to be asked. And the references you can refer to: review of vector calculus difference, gradient and Carl operators of the NPTEL course Computational Electromagnetics by Professor Q. Kantoje, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Madras. Coming to the concept, for a function which is a function of x, y and z, if you want to determine the gradient of x, then what you need to do is dou x of f I cap plus dou y, that is of f j cap, and dou z k cap of f. You can also write this as fx I cap plus fy j cap plus f of z k cap. And to find the directional derivative, so this is the gradient of function f. This is a vector. Now, to find the directional derivative, that is the component of this gradient along u. So, to find that, you need to do the dot product with u, but also divide by the magnitude, so that you don't consider the magnitude of u, only the direction of u, and then do the dot product for that x, y, z values to find the directional derivative magnitude at that point in the direction of this vector. So now coming to the solution, here we need the function 2 ln xy plus yz plus 3 ln xz is the function, and the direction is along this. I hope it is correct. So let us replace it by I cap, j cap and k cap, because this x, y, z are the templates or the unit vectors, and these are the variables, so you should not be confused. Now the gradient of this function is dou x of this f I cap plus dou y of f j cap plus dou z of f k cap. Now doing the derivative with the x, what we find is 2 by xy, and the derivative is of this with respect to x is y. So we are only doing this part now, right? And this is 0, and this is 3 by xz, and derivative of xz with respect to x is z. So this is only the effect df dx part, I cap plus df dy. So now we are derivating it with respect to y. So x will come up, and there will be z. Ln yz, and we are derivating with respect to x, then also should be 0, so no issue. Now this will be 1 by yz, and then we are derivating with respect to y, so this should be z, right? And then you are derivating with respect to y again, so this should be 0. J cap, and the final one is k cap. So down derivating with respect to z, right? And this is 3, and we are derivating with respect to z. So y will cancel, z will cancel, x will cancel, z will cancel, this by x I cap plus 3 by y j cap plus 4 by z k cap. Now find the directional derivative. We need to do the dot product. So we get 5 into 2 by x plus 3 into 1 by y plus 4 into 2 by z. But we need to divide with the magnitude of u. 3 at 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we will get 1 by 3 and put 1 1 1 here. So 5 to the 10 and 10 plus 8 plus 3 21. So it is 7. So 7 will be the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Thank you.